Intelligently define and annotate 3D models while better conveying design intent for downstream manufacturing processes with the new Solid Edge Advanced PMI and model-based definition capabilities. The improved Auto Dimension tool in Solid Edge Advanced PMI can be used with 1 or 2 datums for more freedom while automatically dimensioning turned parts. Using the new Recent Documents preview will open another bracket that's been partially dimensioned. With the new Dimension Checker command, quickly and easily identify the constraint status of features and parts. The model is automatically color-coded with feature IDs, informing you of the constraint status of features and if they lack any tolerance information. In this example, the slot and holes are under constraint, and as a dimension is missing a tolerance value. By adding the necessary tolerance, Dimension Checker will instantly update with the new status, and the Auto Dimension tool will automatically add the missing location dimensions for the holes, improving creation speed. The improved Auto Dimension tool also includes stacked dimensions and callouts for slot and oval cutouts. Features chosen in the selected primary, secondary, and tertiary planes can be auto-dimensioned instantly, and you can now automatically dimension location and size callouts for your created slot and oval cutouts. The Common Model Views command allows users to create common model views automatically with the existing PMI. With the required views selected, Solid Edge automates view creation. Applying section views to a model view is easy with the enhanced vertical command bar that can be launched from the Model View palette. These easy-to-use command bars make editing model views simple, like adjusting the render mode as we see here. To clean up the PMI dimensions, we'll run the enhanced Arrange Dimensions command, which provides the ability to arrange coordinate dimensions alongside the linear dimensions. The Update Model Views automatically updates all model views when the model changes or PMI is added or removed. Auxiliary plane indicators can be added, giving you more freedom to annotate the models based on ISO or DIN standards. Convey design intent for downstream manufacturing processes with 3D PDFs that can be published using templates. You can now export PMI views with selected section views and render styles to the 3D PDF, including those created with single planes, to streamline the delivery of relevant design information. With new PMI face association, parent faces and section views are automatically highlighted when they are selected in the 3D PDF. For assemblies, 3D PDF documents can contain an interactive parts list. On selection, parts are highlighted in the list and graphics window. Associative properties such as author can also be included. STEP, AP242, and JT files can also be generated and added as attachments within the 3D PDF. Interoperability enhancements allow your Solid Edge files to look the same when opened in other Siemens Accelerated Portfolio solutions such as NX. The improved PMI association and support for various PMI data provide increased connectivity for downstream applications. Visit the Discovery Center in Solid Edge to get your free 30-day trial for Solid Edge Advanced PMI. Trials for other add-on products are also available. With Solid Edge Advanced PMI and model-based definition, you can intelligently define and annotate 3D models, better convey design intent for downstream manufacturing processes, and unleash the power of intelligent design.